Okay, we're good. We're good. Let's see if things decide that they want to work today. I'm not convinced that they do, but it is what it is. Okay. There we go. I should. Well, let's see. Anyways, hey Mark, how you doing? How's it going? How was your weekend? Sorry. I got fresh coffee and it just burnt me. Bob? Hi. What? Hey guys, how's it going? Are we ready for the day? Bob, what's up? Yeah. I forgot how early it is for you guys. I've already woken up, I've gone for a run. It wasn't really far though. Hey, but still. Went for a little run, and here we are. What time is it there for you guys? I know I'm gonna ask you this all the time, but we are going with it. Actually, yeah, Bob, why are you here? You are normally with the afternoon. What's up? Can you just not sleep? Awesome sauce. Okay, so boom banana, how was my weekend? It was uneventful. I went swimming at the beach in the ocean. That was pretty cool. I must say I am not the best swimmer. Half the time I just got dragged out and I was like, yeah, this is probably how I die, but I guess it is what it is. Why my hair looks extra curly today. Yeah. The beach curls now coming in. Next step is for my hair to slowly start turning blonde. That'll be interesting because I naturally have blonde highlights, especially in summer. And summer's coming up, so there might be some cool things going on there. Mark K, why are you still up though? Just live? And Bob, you can't sleep. That does suck. I'm sorry. That, yeah. I had that the last few nights actually. It's very weird. Same thing. Normally I am a complete grandma, and by 10 p.m. I'm out. And then the last few nights, literally I'm lying awake at like 11:30, 12 in the morning, and I'm just like, well, this is just my life now. Damn, SK, well done. So no crying this weekend for you, right? Were you partying? I don't know. Does anyone party anymore? I don't. I was listening to music going on somewhere. Like I said, I'm pretty new here, so I don't even know where like the clubs and things are. And I was like, that's cool. I can't imagine anything worse, but that's good for everyone there. Yeah, actually, wait. SK, it's Monday morning, but you get a whoop whoop. Well done. That's amazing. I'm sure you are you feeling a little bit better about life at your young age of 21? Realizing it's not that bad, and you've got this. Let's see if we're gonna do some pre-London trades. What do you mean by that, Bob? What do you not want to miss out on? Hey, Roy. No, nothing yet. I'm waiting at least for 9 a.m. my time I'm not sure where you are, Roy, but 9 a.m. my time. Maybe get some pre-London trades in, see if, well, if anything, I've lost the word, presents itself. That's it, that's English. I found English. It took me a minute, but I got there. Wait, maybe I need to actually have a sip of coffee. Maybe that's the problem. Oh, I forgot about that. Well, I didn't forget about that. But that will be awesome. Is that why you can't sleep, Bob? Are you just like, I can't miss this trade? Is that what's going on? Ow. Okay. Ooh. These are nice equal highs up here. Wonder if it's going to be coming for that. And those there. Sorry, this was me pasting. Ooh, nice, Roy. Amazing. Do you love it there? Sorry, I've always wanted to visit Scotland. Always. It's like on my bucket list. Okay, took that. Cool. Cool bananas. Yeah, here's the... There's that FU candle. Still can't believe it didn't take that liquidity on Friday, but anyways, yeah. I'm actually gonna do that. Well, here it goes, Bob. Well, Boom Banana, number one, Boom Banana, how was your weekend? Did you do anything, I don't know, particularly exciting or not really? I mean, it kind of looks like it just wants to start going down and down and down some more. To fill in, like Bob said. This FU candle. No, Roy, the weather's okay there at the moment. Awesome. Wait, what's your version of okay? Because I feel like South African version of weather's okay is very different to Scottish version of weather's okay. Marquette, listen, this was... I don't even know... Yeah, I don't even know what it's called. I don't even think FU candle's accurate. It's like a double FU. Or double... You know what I mean. Oh, nice. Okay. Boom Banana, you got drunk. Nice. Oh, Pasta Trades. Hi, welcome. Thanks for the subscription. Here's... No, wait. Maybe this is a very inappropriate conversation to be having. What did you drink? I don't know if that's me, whatever. But as long as you had fun, like I said, I'm such a lightweight that if I drink anything, I just feel so yuck that it's just not worth it. No. 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 That's all I'm saying. No. Roy, dry and sunny around 22 degrees. Damn, that's amazing. Yeah, no, here... Oop, 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 oop. I'm missing this. Damn it. Yep, nope. Would have been a loss. Just. I drew the range from here. Potentially. Let's see, it's 9-2. Let's see if this would have gone down. Wait. I messed that up. There we go. Theoretically, I could still have a stop. Because there is resistance there. Oh my gosh, sorry. My dog. Yep. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Bob, is this late night crew? Yeah. Well, to be fair, you saw Boom Banana on Friday. Obviously you know Marquet. This is just, yeah. The crew, I get so excited. I don't know if this sounds sad or not, but I get so excited to see everyone. Hey, how you doing, SK? Welcome back. Oh no, I used to have those all the time. Oh, and how you watched Dark Angel? And yes, how was it? How was she? Was she good? Was it okay? How did it go? Oh wait. I'm assuming you mean a movie. Thought you were talking about Dark Angel. Anyways, just punch the Wi-Fi, it'll work. Yes. That's a very South African way of thinking about things. If you just beat it, it'll start working. Electronic things. Let me make that clear before I get in trouble for that. Okay. Sorry. Hey Pat, how's it been going? How's everyone's weekend? Well, Bob, know how your weekend was. Boom Banana, yours sounded like it was fun. Fun if anything. Oh, okay, cool. So I was not wrong. So you watched her back test. I thought maybe it was like a movie or something. How was her back testing? How did it go? Yes, I did watch it. Pat. I'm on it, I promise. I'm gonna hopefully get it out tomorrow. That's the plan. Yeah. So, Bob, what do you think of this strategy? When can you join me on stream? How? How do you want to do this? Okay, cool. So I would have still been in this freaking trade. There's some hectic resistance going on yes, which means it might go down. Watch, just because I said that it's gonna pop up, but it has been bearish. Ooh, wait, I want to quickly see something. Where's Asia High? Oh, okay, so it tapped into the Asia low. Now I wonder if it's gonna search for Asia High or not. Sorry guys, just a moment of talking to myself. Don't mind me. No, that's true. That's valid. Huh. Boom Banana. I can think about this. I mean, it could be an option. Would it be something you guys would enjoy if we try and make a plan and then figure things out on stream? I don't know. Would it be cool to have another trader and then we somehow, I have no idea how to, I'm gonna have to research into this if it's possible. If it is, that could be lots of fun. Bob, you're not really an ICT trader. Right, I forgot. You have your certain set of skills that I'm low-key, high-key, very jealous of. SK, can I suggest some remote work? Pat, you do? Pat is just the all-knowing. Pat, you are awesome. How do you do it? SK remote work. I mean, listen, there's a bunch of things Thanks, Cougar. I appreciate that. I did not know. Oh, cool. That would have been my loss. But I'm glad I didn't. Thanks, Pat. Much appreciated. Cougar, thank you for that. That does suck a little bit though, but let's see. We never know. Maybe something semi-decent pops up. Not keeping high hopes if there's holidays going on in the UK. Turn on super chat. What is that? Well, if it is bank holiday, I don't know, maybe it means people have more free time to trade. I know I'm just absolutely talking rubbish right now, but let's see. We're going very much still bearish. Do we think there's going to be a little bit of a shift? Nope. Still wants to be bearish. Cool, cool, cool. Well, for now at least. Let me not get too full of rubbish. Hey Pavine, how you doing? I'm good, thanks. How was your weekend? Is everyone ready for this week? Kind of. Mostly. I must say, sorry, I kind of rambled this on when I just started, but I'm super excited. Guys, sorry. When it comes to unpacking things, I was on a mission this weekend because obviously I'm still unpacking. I know it's been like a month, but I procrastinate packing or unpacking like a mad lad. It's like a little stress ball. I know it's not, but I think it's pretty funny now that I'm down by the beach and I have this. Anyways. I'm glad, Poppy. I'm super, super glad. But yes, my morning has started rather good. Went for a quick little run. So now I feel better about myself because I had a proper binging weekend. So the run made me feel a little bit better. It was only 3Ks, but better than nothing. And I did it rather quick. It was like 3Ks in 16 minutes, so it was fairly quick, I think. I'm not actually a runner. I kind of force myself to do it because it's good for you. Sucks. Oh no, Bob, you can't ask those questions. All the bad food, all the bad food. I had pizza, I had like ice cream. Oh yeah, so I'll go after. So what I tend to do is I tend to do the London session, then I go ride the horses in the middle of the day, and then I have New York session. Was that your binge? Cheetos and ice cream? Because I had pizza and ice cream, had like some flings. What else? Yeah, just too many. No! Would never. Okay, let's see if anything actually happens at proper open at 9:30 if we start to get a little bit more price action. Hey LP, how's it going? Hey Geordie, how's it going? Welcome, welcome. How was your weekend? Did you watch the rugby? Sorry, this is where all South Africans are gonna hate me, but I don't care enough about all that stuff. I'm gonna get so much backlash for that, but I do know, see, I know that they played this weekend. I think they won, right? Yeah. That's where I'll get lots of backlash. I apologize. I'm sorry. Here we go. No, maybe. Hasn't broken anything up. yeah, I'll be like, shh, guys, this isn't secret. Don't tell anyone else. I'll get like, oh. Bob, can't you send like, set like 1,000 alarms? Or does that not work? Are you one of those lucky people that can just sleep through anything? There we go. Called it. Knew it. Absolutely knew it. Yeah. No, so I mean, I went, like I said, so I was busy telling everyone now. I did go for a run this morning, so that made me feel good. Really? Why, huh? Interesting. Okay. So the reason I'm not... the reason I'm not... Maybe I should have taken this trade. Just questioning it because it's very much bearish right now, but maybe they want it to be a little bit of a break. Yeah, they do. They really, really do. Like, I'll go watch it, but it's not like I go out of my way to watch it. Which, again, like I know that'll offend a lot of South Africans, and I'm so sorry. I would much rather go and watch, like, a whole show, obviously. But that's, you know, everyone's different. Everyone has their things. I'm sure my sister watched. She, yeah. Oh my gosh, was I wrong to not have taken this? Probably. Let's watch this and watch me want to cry a little bit. Again, the price action is just not really great right now. Okay, well. Shoot. Looks like this could have been maybe a decent one. Jody, until... Give me a second. Flip. Let's see if this would have been a win or if it's slowly gonna start making its way down again, but with that movement up, I'm thinking maybe not. Ah, interesting. Anyways, what I was saying is, Geordie, before this month, I was also that side of the world. Still didn't go watch. Yeah, Mondays are a bit more tricky. I mean, let's see what New York has to offer. It's not really breaking out of the range. I'll go check a higher time frame now. Mondays are tricky, and apparently, thank you Cougar for letting me know, apparently there's a bank holiday going on in the UK, which means the price action's probably going to be even worse. But then I guess it is what it is. I mean, if you check it, this, okay, wait, there. spread. It is a little bit larger today. And we are chip chopping again. Whoop whoop. Upward downward pressure. That's what I was thinking as well, Roy. Which is why I didn't want to take this trade. Yep. Yeah, that's exactly. I'm like, eh. It's just, it looks like it's just kind of chopping. No matter what way I traded this, I think it would have been a loss. Well, it would have been a nothing. In all honesty, let's have a quick look. I'll cancel this one. I mean, we know where the range is that I used, but if we have a look here, that one would have been a loss because of that quick movement up. Yeah, it's just not great right now. This is an eval. Geordie. Yeah. Ooh, let's see. Nope. It's just kind of freaking staying there. Let's see if it pops out. If not, I need... Oh, guys. Do you know how often I need to keep reminding myself, and you guys also help me remember this all the time. Thank you, by the way, because I do need that reminder all the freaking time that not trading is still trading. I know that sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Coming in, watching the markets and deciding actively that it's not worth putting a trade in still counts as a trading day. My brain just doesn't allow me to think that way. It's something I am working on slowly but surely. Let's check the 5 minute. Wow, okay, cool. Yeah, it has not popped out of here at all. I mean, theoretically, it's not New York. Now I'm mixing up. It's not London Open just yet. London Open is at 9:30 for me. So in 9 minutes, let's see if it maybe pops out of this range then. If not, this is not... Yeah, this is literally barcoding now. Or flatlining. I like to call it flatlining because it makes me want to just flatline. My chart says sell at 538. Interesting. Really? Okay. Jared Tendler's book. Amazing. Huh. I am a reader. I am a proper reader. I would actually prefer to read. Like, I'm quite an old soul. I know I'm young, but I'm old. I'm really old on the inside. I will actually prefer to read. It's been kind of killing me. Like I said, I'm slowly unpacking now that I've moved down. Hence the random things now that you'll start to see because I find things while I'm unpacking and I get excited. But I'm trying to get all my books and then I'll start reading. But let me have a look. Jared Tendler's book. Let me make a note. Note with my notes. Notepad. Okay. So, Roy, you are a podcast person, right? Is that what I'm understanding from that? Or YouTube? Like you just have it on in the background? Is that your thing? The mental game of trading. Huh, interesting. Okay. Hey, Van Alvin, how's it going? Van Alvan. Yep. The mental game of trading. Yeah, so I'm really trying. So before this month, I was just kind of willy-nilly all over the place, for lack of a better word. So this month, I've really been trying to get my mental state better with regards to trading. Don't ask about the rest of life, but mental state with regards to trading, I'm trying so hard. It's getting there. Yeah, that sounds about right, Pat. That sounds pretty accurate. Still in this flipping range. Let's see if it pops out of it at all. Van Alvan, how's it going? How was your weekend? Hey, Univester 7. I think it's impossible, Roy. There's a difference. It's impossible, but I'll get on that topic now. Univesta, what's my favorite product? Sorry, that's my dog. So my favorite firms. To be fair, South Africa doesn't have a lot of options, so I'm with Tradeify, and I've had no complaints. With regards to what I've heard, Top Step's pretty decent. I've heard decent things about Lucid. I think that's pretty new. But South Africa, like I said, we are a little bit limited, so I am with Tradeify. And I have, yeah, no complaints, so. Roy, what I was trying to say is, I do think it is actually impossible to keep emotions out of it. You can try and control them, but my theory with everything in life actually is if you do not show some emotions, do you even care? Like, do you even care at all? You should be a little bit excited. James, sorry. Tell your dog I say I'm so sorry. He's on a mission. Like, the Vervet monkeys down here are crazy and they're so annoying. Luckily they're not here right now, so I don't know what he's barking at, but the other day on the live they were literally jumping on the roof and everyone on stream could actually hear it because of how loud they were jumping on the flipping roof. It's so annoying. They can be cute, but they're very annoying. You see something? Univesta, where yes, Univesta, there we go. That took my brain a second to process. Where are you from? Yes, Roy, 120,000%. That's why I have the rules again of hands off, because I used to then just freak out and exit trades that would have been winning trades and anyways. Oh, amazing. So what I am also kind of in the works of is I'm giving earn to trade a go as well. So I think that's going to be awesome. I'm going to keep you guys updated on that as we go around. I think it's going to be super cool. But yeah, it's earn 2, like the number 2, and trade. So I'm going to give them a go. I'm going to keep you guys posted on that one. But yes, currently I'm with Tradeify. Earn to trade is in the mix. Let's see. Like I said, as I start going with that, I'm going to keep you guys posted on how it looks and how it's working. So I'm quite excited for that as well. I think it's going to be lots and lots of fun. While I'm on that topic and while we are waiting for something to happen, if you guys don't mind, please just liking the stream for me. The more we get out there, the more fun we can all have together. So if you don't mind just tapping that little like button or smashing it, depends on what mood you're in. Oh, damn. Roy, what type of trading method do you use? And I apologize if you have told me this already. I really, really do. How long have you been trading for? Same goes for you, Univesta. 7. How long have you been trading for? No, so I'm sticking with that for now. Like I said, I'm going to start trying the earn to trade. And again, I'll keep everyone posted on that one. I'm quite excited to see how it goes. Are you going to come say hi to people? Are you going to stop being so shy? Hello? Oh, no, come here, come here. People want to see you. Yes, they do. They want to say hi. Hello. Here we go. I don't know if you saw him. Good boy. Oh, amazing. And how's it been going for you, Univesta? I'll get it. I'm so sorry. How's it been going? Profitable? Getting there? Figuring things out? Are we out of this range? Nope. Let me have a look. This one looks like it may have been... Oh, this one would have been a win. Damn it. Okay, which means that potentially the next one that pops up we might be able to go for. And now someone's hooting in the background. Okay. Oh no, Roy. Okay, so you are... What's your version of a beginner? Like you've just started? Or are you like a me beginner? Because I'm also quite a beginner. Only started in April. So I'm like a baby still. I'm figuring a lot of things out. Again, like I said, and I don't think I can stress this enough, you guys help me out so much. Because just as I think I've figured something out, you guys come and you say, have you checked out this? Have you looked at this? Have you considered this? And I go, no. It helps me a lot. Yeah, Roy, yeah, being all over the place is something. Wait. Nope, wait, it's still in range. Don't do it. See, like now, part of me is going, ooh, I should try get in on this. But it's still in the range. I'm trying to... Oh, amazing, Roy. Okay, so we are in this together. We can be little babies together, because yeah, it's decent. I just have to be a little bit more bold with it and a little bit, like Pat just said, try keep it simple. So sometimes I overcomplicate it, or I take silly trades, like for example, right, this would have gone in. However, it is opening, it's a little bit volatile. So this is either gonna be a win or a lose, depending, because opening was now at 9:30, which is why we got a little bit more momentum. On ES, it has not really gone so well. Point is, Roy. It is funded. Yeah? Yes, funded. Well, let's flip. Cream and crackers. Let's see if this would have been a win. Okay, wait. The spread didn't tag me out. Would have just missed, that would have sucked. Wow, that's wow. Wait, what are you enjoying watching? Maybe that's a good question. Are you enjoying watching our hopes and dreams slowly die, or? uh, so you've been able to pass emails, just working on getting payouts. Have you figured out how to get consistent payout? No, I have not. Univesta, I have not. I'm still getting there. I know it takes a while. Obviously, it's very frustrating. Oh, wow. Only. No, I'm joking. Well done. Listen, I have blown a few. I really have. And I think anyone who says they haven't is lying. I think it's part of the learning process. Like this. Slowly going down for a 2R win. That's frustrating as hell. The spread is bouncing all over the place right now. But I guess that's the fun of opening. You never know what it's gonna do. Yeah, I think that's exactly it. Me and Roy, we are in the very early stages of this journey, and it is quite... Tell me if I'm wrong, Roy. I don't want to be speaking for you, but what I have noticed is that it is terrifying and overwhelming. And until you find something that works for you, like I said, this strategy has been working so well if I just took the stupid trades. It's fine. Like this. Very frustrating. Very emotionally wanting to bang your head against a wall. It is what it is. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Oh flip, Roy, I'm so sorry. Do you not have stop losses or TPs set up? Universo, small. I keep it small. So I'm on the micros as well, so it makes it even smaller, which is amazing. That would have been a flipping 2R winning trade. Damn it, Maya. Wat in die mood? Anyways. Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm on a 50k account. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Interesting, Pat. Yeah. Thanks. The noob is trying her best. I'm trying my best. Ooh, here goes some momentum up. Why? It didn't take anything. Oh, it hit the resistance down there on ES. So hit some proper resistance. And is it respecting the value gap on ES again? It kind of is. Maybe not. ES is literally just standing still. Aha, it is too. Didn't just wick into it though. Quick crack, snick, snack. Wait, that's not right. Am I disappointed? Yes. Anything I can do about it right now? No. 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 Oh, that's a nice way of looking at things, Geordie. That's a very nice way of looking at things. Yes and no. Also, hey one Mark, or Mark 1, how you doing? How was your weekend? Jordy, do you want to elaborate? What do you mean by that? Like, yeah. Explain a little bit further. I'm a little bit confused. Oh, thanks, Rory. I really appreciate that. It's, yeah, like I said, it's really hard sometimes. But it's also, I think it helped me a lot. One mark, going back to your thing of this is very bold of me trading live to start with. Again, it's helped me quite a lot. Believe it or not, I know it can be quite intimidating and some people look at me like I'm crazy. But it really has helped a lot to just have like-minded people. Listen, obviously it's a stream, you're gonna have some people that aren't nice or aren't like-minded or that have comments that want to come and beep, 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 beep. It is what it is. Like, I think that's just gonna be my motto from now on. It is what it is, and we're just gonna stick with it and go with it. How long have I been streaming? Since April. So literally since I started, if you want to go back, you'll see one of the first days I started. It was chaotic. Oh, yeah, I've kept all of those. Very chaotic, but I guess you can then, it's nice for me to go back, watch it, and then see the progress and be like, wow, okay, yeah, I used to be shocking at that, or damn, okay, I'm getting there, it's getting better. Jordy. Interest rates not related to no, I do not look at that, Jordy. No. I stick to my little rules regardless of what's going on. And yes, I hope that answered that question. I stick to the technicals is what, yes, I stick to the technicals. Yes, there we go. Thanks, One Mark. And then it's not even me just going like, oh, guys, look, I am the best trader in the world, because I'm not. I'm not going to pretend I am. I'm still figuring things out. Like I said, I'm still a noob. Roy, are you going to... I'm going blurred. Oh, sorry. Apologies. Is that better? How's that? So this one, okay, so if I had done it, so this one would have been a win. Where I had it earlier, would have tagged me, wait, where did I have it earlier? I had it there earlier, yep. Would have tagged in, gone for a win. This one would have been a loss. That one's not really what I would normally do though, so I can't, would I? No. Not ideal to do that one. Let's have a look. If I looked at the reversal, would have been there. No, wouldn't have tagged me in. And now this way. Now that we've had a little bit of a break, this movement's not great. We also have not had a break in structure, which means it should theoretically still be bearish. It just hit some really high resistance. Why? What is there? I can't even say it's an order block. It's not. Wait, no, wait. I'm looking at the wrong things. No, there's just some hectic resistance going on. Let's have a look at a higher time frame. See what's happening. That's interesting. Is it blurry for anyone else? Do I have a daily target profit you try to hit and daily loss limit you? So what I try to do is either 3 losses, call it, for the day, or I try to at least have a 3R win, which now with this new strategy would be like 2 wins. If it's a really amazing trending day, I'll try go for 3 wins. So I guess loss would be 2 for 600. Yes, because I always do a loss at around $200. And so which would make the win 1,200. Yes. I hope that answered your question. Hey Daddy, how you doing? One day I'll be able to say that properly without putting a face, but how's it going? So yes and no, it's not really early here in South Africa. Here it is 9:44 a.m, which means it's nearly middle of the day. Not really, but you know, for me it feels like the middle of the day. I normally wake up at like 6 a.m. Roy, cool, small time frame technicals, got it. Yes, that's exactly it, Jordy. Any trade right now? No. South Africa, what am I doing here? Living? I was born here. Basically. Yeah. Hey! Nice. No, I'm not saying I always get that. Please don't get me wrong. That doesn't always happen. I'm speaking ideal. When it comes to days like this where it still hasn't broken out of the range, a little bit more frustrating. Oh, that would have just missed tagging me in. That would have sucked. Oh well. Wow, Cougar, I don't think Cougar is still here, but Cougar was correct. So apparently there's a bank holiday going on in the UK, so this price action's not great right now. Again, Univesta, I'll get it right, I'm sorry. How many contracts do I use per trade? Again, I just make the loss 200, so depending on the size. I know 20 points, so if it was a 20-point trade, it's 5 contracts. So let's have a look. If we had done, which one? This one. This was a nice one. Which I didn't get, but it is what it is. That one there would have been a win. Again, this range is really small right now. So I stick to the fib, essentially. And I go with however many contracts around 200 is. I didn't draw that right, but gives you an idea. So, okay, wow. This is shocking. Okay, let's say I would have gone for 33 contracts. Oh, this is it's almost too small. I don't even know if it would have been worth it. 33 contracts would have been. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Wow. Sometimes you forget how small these tend to be. Let's see how big this one is. At least this is a decent size. 6.5 points. Cool, the market's very slow today. So when it's like this, it might just end up waiting for New York. Let's see, maybe something really good pops up, but it literally has not gone out of this range. That's it. It hasn't gone out of this range at all. Ooh, interesting. I did draw a little box of that massive fair value gap. It's right there. So I do try, it just sometimes frustrates me, so I try and stick with market structure. I try. On days like this, obviously, market structure's just all over the place. Can't even really say there is proper market structure, it's just bouncing around like a bouncy ball. But I try and stick with market structure. I do need to be better with the liquidity. I think it's just sometimes frustrating because sometimes it takes the liquidity, has that little bit of a retracement and then goes up. And then sometimes it takes the liquidity and that's it, momentum to push down. I don't know if there is any proper way of being able to tell if it's gonna retrace just a little bit or if it's actually just gonna melt all the way. So I'm talking about if it was a bullish trend. Obviously, reverse if it was a bearish trend. Do I trade the entire New York session? No. No. So I'm there for opening and I tend to be there around what I guess would be lunchtime. So the morning. I'll do the morning New York session, which is obviously my afternoon, but would be the morning New York session. Resistance at 2360. I'm going the wrong way, am I not? Yep, I'm being a chop. All the way up there. What? Did you mean 2360? No, what? No, what happened, Pat? Are you okay? I'm sorry. Oh yeah, listen. Woohoo! We've had some debates on this stream. There's the ICT people and the not ICT people. So I use some ICT concepts. I do have a look at the fair value gaps and things like that for some indicators here and there. So fixed volume profile. I did have it. Why is it not showing? I normally have the fixed volume profile up and running. Use the VWAP as well. The VWAP annoys the living daylights out of me, but it is what it is. Oh, Pat, that's a lie. You got me. Of course. What do you think we are? This is why, guys, I love this little community. Yeah, it's like a trading community of like-minded, friendly people. And this is the best place to make friends, like I said. When I just popped on here, I even said, like, I get super excited to start the trading day. Not even so much for the trades, but obviously trades. Hell yeah, it's why I started this. But because I get to chat to you guys. Am I a VWAP trader? No, I just use it as an English. Use it as an indicator. Also, sorry, just on this random topic, guys. Well, random topic, off topic. If you don't mind, just tapping that little like button for me, I'll appreciate it. Thank you. But Univesta, what made me start trading? So. You don't know me. Everyone that's heard the story, I apologize. I know you're probably like sick and tired of hearing it. So I'm actually a horse rider. And to have the independence would be amazing. And how do I put this? So I tend to be, I don't want to say a pushover, that sounds terrible. But when it comes to working and things like that, if people say, can you do this for me? I'll just say yes. And I won't expect anything back. And then people obviously love to take that and use it to their advantage. So obviously I just get taken complete advantage of, which kind of sucks. So if I would be able to just be this independent person where I don't have to rely on other people, I can just actually enjoy myself, it would be awesome. Also, so I did kind of realize this, but I've realized it more now, more than anything, is the mental stimulation of trading is amazing. So just when you think you've figured things out, someone will bring up something else and I kind of go, oh, that is interesting. And so that's why I always have my little notepad open, and if you guys mention things, you'll see I kind of start to be typing because I make notes and I go and research them. And so I think it's just... Oh, thanks. Thanks, Jordy. Just as I start to think that I know things, you guys come and bring up something else and I go, oh damn, okay, cool, let me have a look at this. So for me, mentally, it's amazing. I love it. I love it when there's something that you can never be 100% at. I know that sounds weird. I think it's just never boring. I tend to sometimes get bored of things. So yeah, that's my reasoning. Sorry for the long-winded explanation. Still in this rage. Thanks, guys. Daddy, no, I'm not a VWAP trader. Sorry, I think I did answer that just in case I didn't miss your message. I just use it as an indicator because sometimes you then know it's going to sit there, or sometimes you know it's going to be reaching for the VWAP. Sometimes you have to expect it to maybe bounce off of the VWAP. Again, do you see? There's just so many things. Oh, thanks, Jordy. Jordy? Same these. 100%. Listen, days like this can be boring because there's nothing going on, right? I feel like I can't really put a proper trade in that's not a gamble. We are not here to gamble. We are here to actually trade, and this feels like a bit of a gambling day because it's just staying in this range the whole freaking time. So, like I said, if I don't get a trade in today, then I don't get a trade in today, and it is what it is. So we're just going with it. Yeah, if it could actually get out of this. Ooh, the resistance makes me think it does want to go short. Let me have a quick look. Quick. Let's see. The resistance happening on ES, it's either going to shoot through it or it's going to go down. Oh well. Univesta, yes, I am a horse rider. This is my thing. I've been riding horses since I was 3 years old. Cheers, Jordy. Enjoy. Go get them gains. That was very, very lame. I'm so sorry. What? That is amazing. Oh my gosh, I found a fellow horse rider and a fellow trader. This is amazing. Oh, welcome. Sorry, you just got me so excited. Oh, cool. So I've done a little bit of everything. I know that's a little bit weird. Both, I guess. I mean, it's not a sport, but you do get leisure, however you want to say it, riders. So that I guess you could call more of a hobby, but then you get people that ride proper for shows and professional, then it's more of a sport. Nice. There we go. A real life cowboy. Nice. So I'm more of a English, well, because Western isn't really such a thing here, but I'm a show jumper. So my thing is jumping. So I've actually recently rescued a horse. Yeah. So I adopted a horse from Highveld Horse Care, which is awesome. Oh, awesome. Do you breed with the stallion or not so much? Is he just your main man? Sorry, guys. Now this is about to get Interesting. Oh, no. Yeah. Jordy, you're looking in the wrong places, my guy. Go have a look, Joburg side, Kyalami area. That is where it's at. Oh, but is that the plan? Do you want to be breeding? Sorry for those of you that hopped on at the most random time. We're now discussing horses. My beef. Flip this price action. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be right back. Give me 2 seconds. I can hear the monkeys have arrived, so I need to close the door. I'll be right back. Okay. And I'm back. Hello. Right. Sorry, I just saw that message and I'm like, okay. Damn, you're coming with the proper questions. And in all honesty, hey Mark. How you doing? How's my favorite DJ? So Roy, touch wood, I'm a little bit weird. I've never broken a bone. Touch wood. I've cracked, I don't know if that counts. I've cracked my arm, but just a, what's it called? A hairline fracture. Yes, whatever it's called. So literally just a crack, but it wasn't broken through. And that wasn't even falling off of a horse. That was me being silly with a car. Nice. Okay, so now I feel better. I've also never, so fun fact about Maya, I have never had a nosebleed. Oh my gosh, this range just sucks today. Yeah. Cougar, I don't think Cougar's still here, but I think Cougar had a valid point. I don't think we're gonna end up getting any decent trades in today. I'm still gonna stick around for at least another 30 minutes. Let's see, maybe we pop up out of this range. Highly doubt it though. Oh, wait. There's a little bit of something going on. Maybe. Oh, hello. Have we got something? We've got something. Kind of. Maybe. Hey, Bapple. Universe, I wish I had an answer for you. I have no idea. VB breakout. What is... Do you mean volume breakout? Sorry, what's VB? That's what I'm basically asking. Bapple? Nice. And? Wait, I'm assuming, where are you from, Bapple? Thank you. Okay. Is it a proper breakout though? It still hasn't... Nope, maybe not. So if I'd done this one... No, wait, what am I doing? I'm doing things like a freaking chop, that's what I'm doing. I meant this. Oh my gosh, this may have tagged me. No, that one wouldn't have tagged me on. Would have been close. It would have been strafing. Okay, good to know that that would have been potential win. Again, we are still chip chopping. Rules are, if it's chip chopping, don't do it, do not do it, do not do it. I have to keep reminding myself to not do that. Boom Banana, how's it going? Mark, fake out, yes. Well, you know what? You can't even call it a fake out if it's just bouncing up and down like a freaking bouncy ball. Nice. Boom Banana, how, wait, sorry. Yes, I know. So Boom Banana, did you get any trades in or not really? Yeah, that's my plan. I'm gonna stick around for another, I said like 30 minutes. Just in case, you never know, but right now, yeah. This chippy chop is annoying me. Go to the 4 hour. Damn, Boom Banana, nice. Roy, you don't know a horse rider that hasn't broken anything. Yeah, I'm quite weird, I think. Or lucky. I think lucky is the better word for it. So literally a year ago, I even had a horse fall on top of me. We both fell over a jump and she literally rolled over me and then stood up on top of me. Yes. And I had a bruise. So maybe luck is partly to do with it, or I don't know, maybe doing kickboxing helped make my bones stronger, because that is a thing. 4 hour Mark, I'm going to the 4 hour. Why? What's up? What a hoo. Okay. Am I looking at it just being in a straight line? Is that it? Yes, Univesta, my horse stood. Okay, so we are okay. Wow. 4 hours, it just hasn't really moved, has it? Bring it down. Like this. So I'm just gonna shrink it. There we go. Oh my gosh. You just see all the lines going crazy. Prop. How about you? Also, how long have you been trading? With my GAN? Oh, nice. Well done. So when you started to become profitable was when I started. So that. Yeah, no, Roy, it's not worth trading the lower time frames in particular when it's like this. It's shocking. Who are you wagging your tail at? So I'm having a look. I'm gonna actually keep that up. Let's have a look-see. Oh, this is gonna look funny now. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm always keen to learn more things, as I've said. Oh man, this sucks. I know Mondays, a lot of people say, are not worth trading. Obviously, it also does not help that it's now a bank holiday today in the UK as well. It really sucks. You get so excited to get a trade in, and then it just kind of goes, nah. Maybe not today. Okay. Well, it looks like it. They're gonna dump properly though. Yeah, no, only in the UK. Boom Banana, I don't know if I've asked you this. What indicators do you use? Or do you use any indicators? Are you just like a mad lad that's super cool and just knows what's going on all the time? Yeah. I don't know. I'm looking for it to stop being choppy for me to decide. I mean, based off of... Based off of market structure, I would assume buys, but now you say it's gonna dump, so maybe not. If you can even call this a market structure, it has been bearish. So theoretically, yeah, chop doesn't count, this is just a straight line. Theoretically, it's been bearish since 8 AM my time. So I guess sells theoretically would be better. Isn't this just a freaking straight line? I do you in. Why? What did I do now? I know I'm annoying, but what did I do? But do you see why sometimes my brain overthinks everything? Because then I look and I go, oh, and then I look back and I go, oh, no, wait, maybe I'm wrong. And then I look again, I'm like, no, I'm right. And then I look again, and then... And now do you see how I'm talking fast? That's then me going, oh my god, what am I doing? DIY strategy is a good indicator. Boom Banana, I'm waiting for your response here, my guy. Wow. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed. I wanted to say, what indicators do you use, Boom Banana? Or are you just like a superhuman and you just know things that others don't? Hey, Delwyn. So I have my own strategy that I use. I will be getting a video out on it hopefully soon, because I know a lot of people ask me about it. It's, yeah. Huh. Interesting, okay. There we go. Yes, uses SMC and ICT, as LP very kindly said. Thank you. So I actually used to be an order block trader. Problem was the win rate wasn't the best. And I only did 1-to-1, which also doesn't help. Ooh. Interesting. There could be some debate about that. I personally really like futures, but I know forex traders love their thing. What? Damn, aren't you freaking cool? Oh, that's interesting, Pat. Yeah, that would help me a lot because, oh my gosh, like I said, my brain then starts to doubt everything. Oh, GVK, how's it going? I haven't seen you in a while. How was your weekend? Okay, cool. So it's like if you see an A plus setup, go for it. If A, B, and C is sorted. It was good. Yeah, I went to the beach. Like I said, it's where the beach curls are coming from. My hair's not used to the beach. Boom Banana, you're just too cool. Damn. What are you asking? What do I use? Like, what do I use as an order block? Or... Rubbish. Hey, Partha. Oh, yeah, I hope I said that wrong. I mean, wrong. I hope I said that right. I'm so sorry. The brain's giving way. Which futures? So I stick with my micro futures all the time until I'm more profitable. That's what I'm going to stick with. Have you not? You have seen my strategy. Have you not, Boom Banana? I'll explain it. No, do you know what? I will make hopefully a short, damn it. It's not out of range yet though, and I did say if it's rangy, it's not worth it because it's all choppy. Wow, thanks, Boom Banana. Thanks. This would have been a win, just FYI. The problem is I keep missing the wins, and then I say, oh, I keep missing them, screw it. And the problem is the screw it, because then I place trades and then those are the losing trades. Because the market knows. So this one would have been a win. Yeah, cheers. There's the entry at 50, down for a 2-hour win. Huh. No, I haven't. I'll have a look. So I normally, I trade both London and New York open. Stop missing them. Thanks, Boom Banana. Why didn't I think of that? Honestly, stupid Maya. Thanks, I appreciate it. I'm really trying. I think I'm nervous that I'm not placing trades today because of the chop, because it's a little bit unpredictable. And choppy markets, there's just nothing. Anyways. Is it all micro? So I just I stick with the Nasdaq. So I stick with NQ or MNQ, micro NQ. So I stick with that. Oh, of course. Yeah. And like I said, I'm actually normally here for New York. That's when I try to do more trades. London today just apparently seems to be a little bit of forward testing and a chop. Because we have not left this range at all. Let's check the 5-minute. Nope. We've just been stuck going in a straight freaking line the whole time. That's fun. But it is what it is. There we go, so now it's gonna go up. Not yet. Roy. Yes. Darwin, sorry. I'm so sorry, I have hiccups. Look at the wicks. The big wicks at the top. Yeah. Yeah, no, this London session's not great, but apparently, well, there is bank holiday in the UK, so I think that's why it's so choppy. Thanks, Boom Banana. If you know, if I can't be a good example of what to do, I can at least be a good example of what not to do. It's all about perspective. You're either going to learn that that's a good idea, or you're going to learn to not do that. Oh, 5 minutes at the bottom. Oh yeah, this massive wick here. What about it, Pat? Also, again, before I forget, if you guys don't mind, just be tapping that like button for me. That'll be much appreciated. Thank you. That screams buyers. Okay. See, this is... okay. There's also where I sometimes get super confused, because then you'll have one person saying, aha, do you see that? It means it's gonna buy. And then another person saying, no, no, no. Did you see that? It means it's gonna sell. Like I said, it makes me feel a little bit better, because it makes me realize that as much as we all know, we are never 100% certain about things when it comes to trading. And yes, it makes me feel better to know that. That one would have been a loss. Can see that. Oh, Boom Banana, you have triggered my competitive side. I now want to really prove you wrong and be like, oh, no, 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 this is winning. I am very competitive. It's a bit of a problem, but it's a little bit of a problem. Yes, I'm now really like, I need to come and prove you wrong. That would have sucked. Imagine being in this, being tagged out, and then it melting like that. That would have sucked. Would have been no way for me to know that one though, unfortunately. Oh well. That's okay, Pat, you're doing great. Listen, I'm, yes, a little bit of a sore loser. And I'm very competitive for someone who is pretty average at things. It makes no sense. Oh, sorry, Pat. Well, let's see. Let's see. It went and tapped that little low there. So is it going to be the reversal? Are we finally out of this? Nope. It's hit some resistance on ES. Double tap. Ooh, triple tap on ES. Huh. There we go. There's Yusuf saying it's going to be long. My dog's having a dream where he's growling. Okay, Yusuf, what makes you think long? Was it the triple tap happening on ES? Aw, thanks for the new sub. Moving stilts. There we go. Oh, maybe it's gone down. Oh my gosh, we're finally out of this range as I wanted to potentially call it. Nice, okay. So, see if I'm gonna get frustrated again. Yep, I am. That was very quick though. I don't know if I would have made it into that one. But again, do you see? Boom Banana would have been a win. Do you see? I'm just gonna stop doing that. Yeah, I didn't get in on it, but still. That took that. What the heck happened at 10:20? For this weight. I say it's big. Maybe it's not that big. Let's see. 12. Wow. No, it's not that big. 12 pointer. Yeah, oh, cute man. Yeah, no, he's snoring properly right now. So took the lows on ES. So, Yusuf, you're long 515. Stop at 491. Okay, and 491. Damn! And where's your TP? Yeah, Pat, listen, it's really challenging. This one looks like it would have been a loss. It did take that low on ES though, but let's keep this open. Let's see. It looks like it's just gonna start chippy chopping again after it had that actually decent momentum. Five, 3, 5. Ooh, nice. Okay. Let's see. It looks like it wants to start pushing up. So I'm gonna keep fingers crossed for you. Pat, I know you're on the sim, but where's your TP and entry and things like that? Damn. Okay. Full TP 562. Oh my gosh. Nice. Mm-hmm. 507. I'm going the wrong freaking way. Okay. 529. Nice. Let's see. And TP? Bosch SMT NQ with ES. Okay. And you think it's gonna go for that, I'm assuming. That's why you went for the long. And those are your indicators. Huh? Okay, well I'm gonna stick around and see. Do you think it's gonna keep chopping a little bit though? Do you think it's just gonna shoot up now? 80%, damn. That's pretty good percentage. Oh, right. What time frame did you use, Pat? Yeah, that's true. I've seen Monday is not the best. One hour. Let's have a look. See, on the 1 hour, I know there's been no break because of this massive FU candle. My brain goes, oh, but it looks bearish, but I guess it's just the retracement down, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. so it's a bullish flag. Interesting. Yes, I have heard about the bullish flags and things. That's smart, smart, smart. Okay, I see. That does make sense. Well, the volume being like it is today, my goodness. I mean, the fact that it hasn't broken properly out of this range in how long? Literally, wait, let's say here. Nearly an hour and a half. I know it looks different on the higher time frames, but oh my goodness. It's excruciating sometimes. I do know it's Monday, and Monday is apparently a little bit slower. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Aw, thanks, you. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I apologize if I'm not. I could always call you UP. Does that work? Okay. Can try. I don't know if it's gonna come grab me. Might run away. But I can give it a go. Oh, there it runs. Which means that's gonna be higher up. Defenti contracts noise. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna retrace that far down. If it does, cool. If not, at least we've placed an order. In order. English. Oh my gosh. Huh. Yusuf, I think it's just gonna run away now. Which means pet. Well done. It's right by that range. I'm gonna have to adjust the amount, so I'll be quick. There we go. And now we wait. See if it does actually come far enough in to get me before it goes up. Okay, well, while we wait, for those of you who I didn't manage to ask, how was your weekend? Anything cool happen? I don't know. Managed to get some back testing done. Sorry. I'm rambling on, but it's mostly because it's Chippy chopping away. I don't know if it's gonna come that far down. Oh, yeah. Family time only. Amazing. I'm sure that was also a lot of fun. Depending. I know some people don't have the best family, but if you have an amazing family and you love spending time with your family, then awesome. Weekends are never long enough. But in the same breath, you can't trade during the weekend, so then they also kind of suck a little bit. So, you know, ups and downs. Oof, okay. Jeff, no. I'm trading NQ futures. Or MNQ futures. Do you trade crypto? I'm assuming? Because of the question? No, I've never traded it. How do you find it? I've heard varying opinions about it. Oh, interesting. But do you want the volatility? No? Guess it depends on the person. Yusuf, no, I'm a prop firm. Oh yeah, 100%. Traders are the only ones kind of going, is it Monday yet? Please let it be Monday. And then Monday comes around and does this. Like, really. Huh, how long have you been trading for? So I'm currently with Tradeify. So for those of you that don't know, I'm in South Africa. We do not have a lot of options here in South Africa. However, stay tuned. I'm going to try a new one called Earn to Trade. So earn the number 2 and trade. And we're gonna see how that one goes as well. That'll be exciting. And then I can let you guys know, yeah, how they are. I think they're fairly new as well, which is, yeah, pretty awesome. But currently, at the present moment, I'm with Tradeify. Ooh, nice. And how are you finding them, UP? Is it okay that I call you UP? 1 year or so, Jeff. Awesome. So not that long. Like long, but not that long. I don't know if it's gonna come up. Hello. Oh, nice. Go get, yeah, listen, I now have like an iced coffee, but I still have coffee. Boom Banana, no, not yet. It hasn't come back to tag me in. Why? It makes me nervous when you say things like that. You know that. Yeah, UP, let's have a look. Like I said, I'll also keep everyone posted on the Earn to Trade account. I think it could be really cool. Yeah, Boom Banana, where you been? Huh? 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 Sorry, I'm just here to be annoying. Just the one. Yes. Like I said, I'm gonna get back to you on that one. It's very, very new. I'm currently in the works of getting there. Yeah. Majority. Let's put it that way. So like on the weekends and stuff, I'll do boot camps. So I am a personal trainer, so then I'll go and do boot camps and things like that, or I'll go and work ride horses. I don't think this is gonna come back to get me in. So I'm gonna have to adjust the contracts again. Oh my greatness. Boom Banana, let's see, are you good luck? I mean, it still has to come down and get me. Ooh, nice! Well done, Yusuf. Yeah, Boom Banana, are you my lucky charm? If it is, then it is your job to stay on all the time. Or are you not? Because you've said it whenever you... English just left my brain cells. You said every time you've watched, it's been a loss. So, So, Jeff, again, I'm so sorry for everyone that has heard this like 1,000 times. I apologize in advance. Sweet and simply, I had a strategy that was too complicated and it was making me doubt and question everything. So I took it back to stupid simple. So now I basically just do ranged trades. And I place my GAN and I just set it up according to my GAN. And I literally go from range to range. I know it could have been a little bit higher, but it is what it is now. Wait, maybe move it a tiny bit. Range to range and boom, there it is. There. Nice. Wow. Maybe that's it, Boom Banana. You're right. Maybe that's it. You have to see it from the get-go and go from there. Hey, Ron. Oh, Ron, listen. This is torture. Oh, and the way it's melting is also torture. But we're sticking with it. No, Jeff, sorry, I'm on the 1 minute. So I do the quick, you could call it scalping, yeah. Yeah, there we go. So LP, you guys read it there, read it and weep. He's just better at taking the trades than I am, so that's why he's up and I'm... What if it dumps? Then I cry. That's what happens. You guys are gonna witness me crying on live. Okay, that's what happens. Oh no. Oh, you're watching on your phone. Okay. Same goes for if it doesn't tag me in, but it's right there by the fair value gap. I'm hoping it wants to fill that fair value gap. If it dumps, you're gonna see me cry. It's that sweet and simple. Okay, well, we are now in. Let's see, Boom Banana. Let's see. Let's see if you are good luck or bad luck. I think you're good luck. But we're about to find out. No pressure, no pressure. I'm in. I'm in, baby. Okay, so. Yeah, Boom Banana, why would you say that? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Well, let's see, Yusuf. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting my strategy, but I'm hoping that this is then correct. Just keep breathing. Just keep breathing. I'm pulling a Dory. Right now I'm just gonna squish my stress shock. Okay. You think so, Boom Banana? Oh shoot, that was not supposed to move. But it did move. Okay, Boom Banana, you bad luck. Leave. Seriously? Wait, I have to make myself cry now. I did promise you guys a crying person on live. No? Ah, Ron, you funny. Wow. No, Boom Banana, you called that you were gonna be... Good luck. Oh, no, you called the lows being taken, you did, but still. Ron, you funny. Yes, you're right. We are all in this sugar honey iced tea. We'll stick to PG version together. Listen, it's just a chop. I don't even know if you can call it anything right now. This is just a freaking straight line. I mean, if we have a look at the 5 minute, it just has not moved. It is a straight line. So it was a little bit cheeky of me to actually take a trade. I probably shouldn't have, because I'm not supposed to trade when it's choppy like this. But I gave it a go. Can't be mad for trying, right? Yeah, exactly, Ray. Ah, thanks, LP. I appreciate that. Hey, genius. Yes? Oh, Boom Banana! Damn, Ron's coming for you. Careful. Take one more. Which direction? Long or short? Because it hasn't taken the lows, just saying. But it does look like it wants to start going up again. I've got to wait. Well, that doesn't help. So wait for the sweep and then go long? Is that what you're saying? Sorry, hiccups. No, they're gone. So I'm very weird. I get like one hiccup and then I'm done. It's all about seeing it. I know. Something I'm not the best at yet. Well, it's nearly taken it on ES. There we go. There's that little tap down into it. Oh, there's so much resistance going on. My dog's looking at me funny. Don't know what I did. Really? So you do the 3 minute chart? I always find that so interesting. Everyone has their different ideas of what is the best place to be and where is the best place to be. And which is the best time frame. Pat, are you still in this? 5 and 3. Interesting. I have a little bear. Little squishy bear. Sorry, like I said, I went and did some unpacking. So now I have a bunch of things. Ron, you do 1 and 5. Aha! So, similar. So I keep going. So you'll see I jump between the higher and lower time frames. Hey, Reluve, how's it going? I was wondering where you were. It's okay. It's okay. That one was a loss, unfortunately. But I tried. Ah. You jumping in low? No. Hey, MB, is Maya the new Tanya Trades? Well, I don't know. Hi, Mohammed. Hi. Ooh, 515 entry. Same as... Same as Yusef, right? Yusef, that's you. Well, now I don't know if I'm offended or not. If you're joking, that means... I'm joking. I'm messing with you. MB is Maya the new Tanya trade. That would be cool, but I don't think I'm as amazing as she is yet. You know, goals, we've got this. Just tap the lows on ES and now it looks like it's retesting. So I was in a long reluve, but I think I may have been a little bit too late. Oh, thanks MB, I appreciate that. You know, can only have gold, right? And one day, maybe when I'm old, I'll be as cool as she is. Oh, hey Frex, how you doing? Aw, thanks for this, the sub, Jeff, I appreciate it. Just again, guys, quick little reminder before I might hop off, let's see, to just tippy tap that little like button for me. Oh, I'll appreciate it. I nearly did the uwu girl thing and I was like, no, that's disgusting. Let's not do that. We're not doing that stuff, yeah. You know what's annoying? Let's see. That is annoying. If you like me, can I like you? I mean, sure. What does that mean? Do you have a video I can like? Wait a minute, are you being rude? I've got this. Damn, Boom Banana, you came in fiery today. Sure. You woke up and chose violence. Damn. So, okay. I'm gonna hang around for 9 more minutes, guys. Let's see if that one was a loss. Let's see if this was the retest I should have been in. If not, you know, again, it is choppy. Theoretically, I should actually not be trading in this chop, which is right. Aw, thanks, Mohammed. See? Now I like you. So, Reluve, you think Friday's low is going to be the low for a couple of weeks? I mean, probably. Ron? Was that a choice? Or was just, you know, what you have to do? There's a difference. We have to do it. It's not that you choose to, it's you kind of gotta do it to live. Looking for a long all day. Okay. Thanks, Mohammed, you funny. Yes, I do, Jeff. That's why it's choppy. I do know that. Yes, yeah, it's a bank holiday in the UK. Oh, that's amazing, Ron. Ron, how long have you been trading for? MB, no, unfortunately not. I'm with Tradeify and in the works of being with Earn to Trade. Ah, interesting. Okay. Boom Banana's gonna sell. Okay, let's see. Like I said... Yeah. It's just actually choppy. I shouldn't be trading when it's choppy, so... Huh, interesting. Yeah. MB, I'm assuming you're with Top Step then, yes? Ah, samesies, Ron. That's amazing, well done. Well done, Ron. Yeah, so I've also only been trading since April, so I am still new. So I'm not profitable yet. We will get there. We'll get there. Boom banana, you need to wait for it to break the range. Yes, I do. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, like I said, unfortunately, we don't have Top Step in South Africa, which sucks a little bit, but I guess it is what it is. So this would have been a decent trade to be in now. Oh well. Flip. I am, Mohammed. I am a proper baby. That's what I've heard, and it does make me feel a little bit better because sometimes I'm just like, oh, I'm just failing at everything. This sucks. Why am I doing this? And then you guys come around and you make me feel a whole lot better. Make me feel like I can actually get there. I know it will take time. So frustrating that I didn't take this trade. Man, oh well. So it's what I've been working on this month in particular is the discipline. Like I said, technically I really lack the discipline here. I'm not supposed to be trading on such a choppy day. That was me being bad. I need to be better. Yes, that's what I'm trying to remind myself. Crap, that would have been a 2-hour freaking trade. See, boom banana, it would have been a win. I just didn't take that one. I took the wrong trade. Mohammed, do I do options? What do you mean by options? Yep. Well, listen, Boom Banana, I'm probably only here for another 4 minutes, so... Let's see, then I'll probably call it for today. Here we are. Probably bearish though now. Will I win in New York? Yes, I'm putting it out there. Yes, I will. Maybe I've just jinxed myself by doing that, but I'm saying yes because I want to. And because I still want to prove you wrong. I'm here for 10 more minutes, thanks. Hey, Vincenzo. Kid. It's pretty accurate. Yeah, I'm good. How's it going? Oh, it might. You're right. Buy the stock and sell. No. Yes, I trade futures. Hey, thanks Vincenzo for the sub. Much appreciated. And Mohammed. God, you guys are so cool. Thanks. I have so much love. Thank you, thank you. No, I did not. Bitcoin dropped. See how the hour opens. Yeah. Also, can I just say something? Number one, how frustrating that was, but no, not that. I'm just saying, that would have been 2 wins in a row, Boom Banana, if I'd freaking taken them. Man. See, so that is what tends to happen. It's what I need to just be better at. Do they not push each other? I don't know. People get nervous, maybe? Yeah, okay, I know that. I know that, Boom Banana. Okay, I get it. Point is, Point is, it woulda, coulda, shoulda. It's just when I get losses, then I start to doubt things, and then, yes, definitely bearish, which is why I should have stuck with bearish earlier. But it was pushing bullish so nicely, but we've actually broken the lows now. Okay. Someone's a little bit spicy today. Damn, Boom Banana. Holy moly. Use Trading View, Mohammed. Thanks, Boom Banana. Okay, fine. I'm gonna do it in New York. Yes, okay. So, there we go. Come back for New York, guys. I'm gonna try my best to be brave and trust my strategy a little bit more. I'm very frustrated right now, but it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Thank you. No, that's true. That's true. You kind of have to, I don't want to say risk it, but you have to be a little bit more bold. That's what I'm working on. I had to first work on the discipline because I was being too irrational. So I think I'm getting the discipline down, I think. So now the next step is to be a little bit more bold with things. What? Oh, market. Oh, yeah. I know. Okay. Well, maybe I will. Let's see. My broker, Tradeovate. Yes. Yeah, I'm with Tradeovate. Tradeovate. Yes, I hope that answered that. Oh, thanks, Mohammed. I appreciate it. But okay, I'll see you guys back here for the New York Open, hopefully. Okay. If not, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning. Same time, same place. Ready, steady. Let's do this, okay? But I have mad love for you guys. Have an amazing rest of the morning or evening, depending on where you are. I will see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.